Imagine a projector that completely transforms your home entertainment experience. That's the XGIMI Aura 2. Unlike traditional projectors that require massive room space, this realistic device sits just 5.5 inches from your wall and magically creates a stunning 120-inch 4K screen with incredible 2400 ANSI lumens brightness. What sets it apart isn't just its size, but its incredible smart features. Running Android TV 10.0, it comes with automatic screen alignment, AI-powered obstacle removal, and built-in Harman Kardon speakers that deliver cinema-quality sound. The laser light source is a game-changer, lasting an impressive 25,000 hours, while advanced technologies like automatic focus, color correction, and wall color adjustment ensure you get perfect picture quality every single time. If you're wondering how this compares to other projectors, head to dominantprojectors.com, where you can dive deep into detailed specs, side-by-side comparisons, and expert reviews that'll help you understand why the XGIMI Aura 2 isn't just another projector. It's a complete home entertainment revolution. And right now there's an amazing Amazon deal that won't last long. So if you're serious about upgrading your viewing experience, now is the time to act. If you're visiting for the first time, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates about the latest and coolest projectors.